Hi guys, it's playtime. Today we are unboxing the Winter SPARKLIZER from Ever After High Epic Winter. And look, it comes with a beautiful Crystal Winter, the daughter of the Snow Queen. Inside, there's also glitters, stickers, and more. Alright, let's open it up. So here it is. It's like a big snowflake closet. This is where you're going to clip your doll. And down here is the drawer where you put the glitters. And underneath is the battery compartment. So make sure you have 4 AA batteries before you start. Here are the accessories that comes with the set. Look, we have the silver glitters and stickers. It's a big snowflake, a brush, and a glue. First, we have to take off the protective film of the stickers. Let's start applying the snowflakes to her skirt. You can also put sticker on her purse. You can also use the other stickers. Now let us use the glue. If you want your hair to have more glitters, just put glue in there, like that. Alright, let's put her inside. Crystal is now ready to sparklize. Let's close the door. Let's open this drawer down here and let's pour in our glitters. Close it. Remember, all you have to do is push this to sparklize our doll. Sounds like a vacuum. Oh, look at that! She's all glittery! If you think you've overdone the glitters, all you have to do is brush it off. She's so sparkly and beautiful, but I put too much glue on her face. That's why she has lots of glitters, which is okay. More glitters, more fun! On her purse. Oh, shoes. Look at that shoes. Sparkly pink shoes. Let's look at the back. Look at that hair. Oh, I love that hair. You can also apply glitters on the owl and the ring. Look! Now we have the purple sparkly owl and the sparkly ring. And this is the result. My hands are also sparklized. Thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos and don't forget to subscribe. Have a good one.